Thank you for watching today. We will walk you through how to activate your ADAS system. Currently it's available with the throttle and the pad 2. We currently don't have a pad 2 here, but it's the same system, same setup. So let's get started. So we're going to click on the X-431 app. Once the app is opened up, you just swipe over to the left. You click on the ADAS. And when you purchase your ADAS kit, it comes with a card inside the kit. You have to scratch off the card and then activate the number. So this is the next screen that you would come to. And this is where you would input the 25-digit code. This number is not going to work because this is a generic number. So hit activate. And the next step will tell you you successfully activated your ADAS system and your tool's ready to go. So thank you for watching. And please keep watching for more launch videos to come on LaunchTechUSA.com.